No forced COVID vaccines.
Critics say the Biden administration's COVID-19 vaccine mandate oversteps the federal government's role and will cause more resistance among the unvaccinated. The directive calls for some employers to make sure workers are either fully vaccinated or submit to weekly testing. Businesses that violate the policy could face fines of up to $14,000 per violation.
The problem is that I'm trying to overcome resistance, but the president's actions in a mandate hardens the resistance.
According to the Johns Hopkins University, the U.S. has nearly 41 million confirmed cases and nearly 660,000 deaths. About 74% of Americans 12 or older have received one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And the pace of vaccination has increased in recent weeks. But health officials are concerned that the coronavirus, which causes the COVID-19 disease, will continue to spread until more Americans are inoculated. So far, 19 Republican governors have said they will pursue legal action against the administration, arguing that the vaccine mandate is unconstitutional. The Biden administration says it is focusing on where the federal government has authority, such as many health facilities, which affects about 17 million workers, and workplaces with more than 100 workers, which will affect about 80 million Americans.
This is an appropriate action, we believe, and it certainly, from a public health perspective, most importantly, will help keep workers safe, and that will ultimately help our economy as well.
Separately, President Biden recently signed an executive order requiring the COVID-19 shot for people who work for the federal government as employees or contractors. The vaccine mandate for workplaces comes at a time when 62% of Americans say that economic conditions are poor, according to a recent CNN poll. Biden is gambling that the mandate will lead to more people becoming vaccinated as opposed to resisting vaccines, and that the economy will improve. Michelle Quinn, VOA News.